All right, so we're back. We've got the Nintendo Switch 2 here. We picked this up off of a Walmart pre-order. This is the one that comes with the Mario Kart bundle. So it's a little bit more. It's about $4.99 USD after tax, a little bit more. But yeah, let's see what comes in the packaging and get this opened up. But first, we're going to do a quick spin around the box and see what this kind of looks like. It is fairly small, compact design. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this opened up. So awesome, right away we've got the Joy-Cons up top and we've got the system here on the left hand side. Go ahead and pop this out here. Wow, very nice. It feels very solid. Taking this out, wow, this is pretty neat. You can definitely tell this is a lot bigger. So yeah, there it goes, powering up. So it's saying go ahead and attach the Joy-Cons there, but we'll do that in a moment. You can also see the bezels there. They're a bit pronounced. It's kind of like the older Switch as well. Yeah, let's go ahead and put this on the side and take a look at what else we've got in here. So we've got the Joy-Con, first one here. This is the right hand, and right away, wow, this feels really nice. It's a lot bigger. Yeah, that feels much better. I did not like the old school joystick there, but this feels way better. I'm glad they made that addition. Let's go ahead and snap this on now that we know that it's a magnetic system. Wow, that is awesome. First time snapping that one on. It feels really good. Does it have some sort of a release? Yes, it does. So it seems like you just pull that in and pop out and it comes off really easy. Wow. Yeah, I'm really liking the magnet. It feels really good. And there's like no wobble here as well. So that's a good sign. Let's go ahead and pop the other one on here. This is the blue left-hand side. Wow, so that feels really nice. And once you get both of those on, the system does boot up. Very nice. Yeah, so the first thing I noticed, the screen is very big. Looks amazing too, very sharp. But we'll do a bit more of an in-depth review coming up here. I will say here's a quick comparison to the old one versus the new one. A little bit of a size comparison. So I forget the exact dimensions, but it's definitely a lot bigger. So we popped the Joy-Cons off. We're gonna do a bit of a look top down to see if they're that much different. Definitely lengthwise, it's a lot longer, but in terms of the girth, it feels about the same. The buttons are, however, a lot bigger. They feel about the same, and the joysticks do feel very similar as well. So the other addition here is a chat feature on the bottom, so that's integrated into a lot of the games now. We'll take a bit more of a look at that later. So let's see what else comes in the box. Let's put the system to the side. So it looks like we've got something else included in here. There we go. We've got the download code for the Mario Kart World, and then we've got a bit of an instruction guide and user manual. We've also got this HDMI cable. If we want to use it on the dock, we'll definitely need this piece. And these appear to be the mouse pads. So these click onto the individual Joy-Cons here. So if I wanted to use this as a mouse, I would just pop that on. Is it magnetic? No, it just kind of snaps on there. Pretty cool design. Oh, I also noticed that these buttons are a lot bigger up top here. The shoulder buttons, SL and SR. Yeah, that feels pretty good. So this is for that like wheelchair racing type game, and if you want to browse the web, I think this will be pretty handy. Got the left one here. And let's see what else is included. We've also got, oh, I didn't think they'd include this. Very nice. So I was hoping they did include this. This is the Switch adapter, so you can turn the Switch Joy-Cons into an actual controller, which is always a plus if you're trying to play those more intensive games. I'm really digging that. Oh my gosh, that feels amazing. Feels locked in. It feels like it's not going anywhere. This is the first time this controller has ever felt this solid. I will say that the form factor is nice. It feels good in my hands. I don't have the biggest hands in the world, but it does feel good. It feels like you can hold this for quite a long time without getting any strain. You also get the AC adapter, and it looks like you get a USB-C to C. So this might be for charging purposes as well, if you want to charge the Joy-Con or the system separately. So I think it's a 100 to 240 volt. So it's a US-based plug. Here, I think this is the last item included. This should just be the charging base or the dock, notoriously big. But all right, it's got a bit more curvature in the back here. Cool to see that. You've got the Nintendo Switch 2 there. On the bottom, it looks like it's got some cooling holes. This has to open up somehow. How do you open this? There we go. All right, so the door just completely comes off. It doesn't hang off like it used to on the older one. I don't know if I really like that, but here's the older Switch dock. And as you can see, a bit harder to get open, but once you did have it open, it did have that hinging door. So Interesting that they omitted that. I wonder why. Yeah, the last thing I want to do is go ahead and put this onto the base. Okay, so a little bit more wobble for sure. It actually moves around in there versus the other switch didn't have much movement at all. Just a little bit of rattle. So interesting. Maybe they'll make a revision to that down the line, make it more secure feeling once they get the OLED model out. But anyways, this is a great system. I love it. I can't wait to try it out. So yeah, I don't think there's anything else in the box. We'll go ahead and put this to the side. Anyways, that's going to do it for today's unboxing video of the Nintendo Switch 2. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more reviews. So stay tuned for that. Also, let me know in the comments below if you picked up the Switch 2 and what accessories you think are worth pairing with the console. And until next time, peace.